Now, 3 stalwarts of local track and field were recognized for their contributions to the J3's Fuller Anderson Development Meet, which had its 43rd staging at GC Foster College on Saturday.
Michael McIntosh, Dr. Carol Long, and Mark Martin were presented with plaques from the meet organizers for their contribution over the years. Dr. Carol Long, who has been involved since the very first staging, says it remains an honor to be associated with an event that pays tribute to 2 stalwarts of Jamaica's track and field history.
I really appreciate it. That you know that we're giving our flowers before we go, and because I've been with this meet from the initial stages, it feels really good to know that both these, Mr. Fuller and Mr. Anderson's meet are continuing. And this is one thing that I'm very thankful about, because it shows continuity in the sport.
A veteran Green Island High School coach Michael McIntosh, who also serves as vice principal of the institution, described the recognition as a humbling experience.
It's very humbling, and it speaks to the fact that people recognize your hard work and your contribution, and what better names to associate this award with Pat Anderson and Charlie Fuller, 2 stalwarts of growth and development of Jamaica athletics.
Longtime official Mark Martin says the acknowledgement from the organizers came as a surprise after years of service at the meet.
I tend to operate below the radar, which you know,
good afternoon to you.
I prefer to operate below the radar, because it's not about being seen, but about function and about helping to advance young people and sports. You know, that's it for me.
While noting concerns about the current location of the meet, Dr. Long says she has witnessed its steady growth and development over the years.
I do think it meets its objective. I'm just sorry that we have to come all the way to GC Foster, because it needs to be more central, where we can bring in all the communities that are within that area. But it is meeting it's the objectives that it started out as. You know, where it carries the name, continue the events that they want to continue, and moving athletes from not just the track of grass, but onto the chevron.
The meet is named in honor of former J3's president Pat Anderson, and statistician Charlie Fuller was originally held in Kirkvine, Manchester. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.